not feeling too good, but he's hanging in there. He's gonna make it like a soldier.
Yeah.
Come on out, dude. He's a good man.
All right, I'm gonna get out for a minute.
Hang in there, baby. We got this.
Walk up towards the nose there. Keep your head low.
Woo! Oh yeah. All right, look, got a little sick, but I didn't throw up. Getting a little air, whoo, in between takes. Whoo! All right, I feel good now. I feel good. Here he comes. High five, man. That was awesome. So what'd you think?
It was awesome, baby. That's living.
Woo. So there you have there's our...
God is amazing.
Yeah.
To have pilots like this, it's a
that's
blessing.
Yeah.
Our great
That's
pilot.
our pilot friend.
It's a blessing.